Hi dear all students. In last video of a maths third lesson, addition and subtraction, we already started our last problem set number 13, and also we completed one question. I hope students you all written that answer with question in your notebook too, as well as I hope you solve extra problem also, and hope so all are comfortably making now calculation for addition and subtraction. See student, now our second problem is here. I will read first and explain to you. Question number 2. A city has a population of 37,04,926. If this includes 11,24,069 men and 10,96,478 women, what is the number of children in the city? So student, it's a reading of our question. Now I will explain you the meaning of this question is that a particular city is there whose population means लोकसंख्या, एका गावाची लोकसंख्या, किती लोक तिथे राहतात, how many people including men, women, children, all type. That total number is 37,04,926. Out of that, the first figure is men and second figure is women. They said this much men are there, this much women are there. How many children were there? त्या गावामध्ये एवढे मेन आहेत, माणसं आहेत, जेंट्स, एवढ्या लेडीज आहेत, एवढ्या बायका आहेत, तर मुले, उरलेली मुले आहेत, तर मुले किती आहेत? So from this given data, from this problem, first we'll write given data. Let us start to solve our problem. I will take given data from textbook. So see student, here I will start given data of second question. Total population (37,04,926) men, 11,24,069 women, 10,96,478 children. Question mark. So this is our given data from the given question. So very simple solution for this student. Two actions as usual in mixed number we have to do. One is addition and one is subtraction. So first we will add men and women to each other. We'll do addition of these two. How many men, how many women? Total we'll do addition in a first step. That answer we subtract from total population. So first is our addition of men and women, and that answer subtract from total population. Remaining will be their children. Hope so. In exam, you don't by heart there is addition first, then subtraction, there is subtraction first, then addition. No student. You have to understand meaning of a question and then you have to start with our answer. Now see student, here we are for the solution. We do first addition. See, leave one line for carry. Write here main with a suitable distance. Students, write down main without box. If you are writing your distance should be proper, one below another. Women, oh sorry, you also give attention student while writing the number. Maybe if number wrong, our answer goes wrong. Actually not goes wrong, that will become different problem, but our answer will not match with the question answer from textbook. So take precaution. Start from last digit from unit place to add the numbers. So write here 8 plus 9, 17. So 7 will be here and 1 will be carry. 7 plus 6 plus 1, 14. So 4 will be here, 1 will be carry. 4 plus 1, 5. No carry. 6 plus 4, 10. So 0 will be here, 1 will be up. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 12. So 2 will be here, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Here is your answer, student. So this is a number of our first step, that is men and women. Total are there 22,20,547. Now let us see how many children were there. So total population, now subtraction purpose leave 2 lines here dear, all for double borrow case. So write here total population with a suitable distance. Okay, then subtraction sign and answer of first step. Take each digit one below. Okay, now start your subtraction from unit place. 6 minus 7 not possible. Some student, what doing student, my observation when we are checking paper, lot of student, if 6 minus 7 is not possible, might be they are doing 7 minus 6. It's not happen in subtraction student. In addition, you can add 6 in plus 7, or you can say 7 plus 6. Answer is same. But your 6 minus 7 answer is different and 7 minus 6 answer is different. Don't do that. Lot of students doing this mistake generally. So that is not a proper way. Upside digit minus downside digit must be there. So this 6 minus 7, if not possible, this 6 becomes 16 by sharing 1, and this give 1 here, so 2 become 1. Do this first. Here only complete the borrow giving work of the 2 digit and then do the remaining. 16 minus 7. Now do the subtraction of 16 minus 7 and write remaining answer here as a 9. You may do this on the rough page, whatever your method of 2 digit 1 digit subtraction, finger or cutting lines or whatever. 1 minus 4 is not possible, so 1 become 11. This is double borrow place. So 9 give 1, so 9 become 8. Now 11 minus 4, right answer here 7. 8 minus 5 now possible, so 8 minus 5 is 3. No borrow student. 4 minus 0 is 4. Again here 0 minus 2 not possible, so 0 become 10 and 7 give 1, so 7 becomes 6. Take borrow only when required. 10 minus 2 is here 8. 6 minus 2 is here 4 and 3 minus 2 is here 1. So children in that city, the children number is 14,84,379. This much children are there. So give comma wherever required and make nicely box to your answer. So this is the proper way of writing answer. I hope you understand, dear all, this addition and subtraction methods in mixed number. Today, complete this example in your notebook with your own mind from problem set 13, problem number 2. Be safe at home, student. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.